Risks of tanning, which involves all skin tones, not just the light skin tones. Now, there are many common excuses for not wearing sunscreen, and there are two main common excuses that we hope to bust for you all. The first one is for those wanting to get that nice tan, and it's common to believe that sunscreen will prevent an individual from getting that nice bronzy color. And this, however, is not true. Our skin renews itself every 10 days. So a fact about tanning is that the slower the better because your skin will able to keep the tan even longer. And the other excuse is that I never burn, so why use it? So according to the American Academy of Dermatology, melanoma is much more common in whites than it is for African Americans and or Hispanics. And as mentioned earlier, while darker toned individuals do have more protection, the effects can be a lot more fatal. So for example, the 5-year survival rate for African Americans is 73% compared to the 91% for Caucasians. Did you know? Ultraviolet UV radiation from the sun and from tanning beds is classified as a human carcinogen by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services and the World Health Organization. Protecting yourself from any sunburn or skin cancer is a lot more simpler than you think it is. For example, between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m., the sun's UV radiation is the most potent. So while it's not necessary to stay indoors, simply seeking shade is enough to protect you from UV damage. More ways to prevent any sunburn and skin cancer can simply be done through the use of sunscreen. And when it comes to infants and babies, make sure that newborns are kept out of the sun, and if sunscreen is used on babies, they should be at least 6 months old. And of course, no one knows your body like you do. So check yourself from head to toe every month, and make note of anything that seems suspicious or may have changed. And of course, see your physician every year for a professional skin exam. This simple self-skin exam can point out any skin issue that you may need to consult your dermatologist or physician about. Now, there is nothing wrong with having fun in the sun, and tan is a nice thing, but it does come with the risk of skin cancer if you are not putting on sunscreen, and this pertains to all skin tones. So, protect your skin to preserve your life.